Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-36B, the boiler whistle valve ball valve for the Clayton Undertype steel wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's go advanced, part MMGS. We can go to, doesn't matter which one for this one, does not matter in the least. We're going to do the circle there, or the 3-point circle. That works for me. That point, and that point will be vertical. We shall put a line from there to there, done. Dimension will be 6.5 divided by 2, 3.25. It's going to be 6.5 diameter, so that's the radius. Then we go feature, sweep, boss, base, and we want the. Let's click on the right one. Oh, I did. Click on the right. Oh, sweep. Oh, sorry. Revolve boss base. Sorry. Clicked on the wrong one. Oh. We have that selected. Pick that one. What the heck does zoom way out there for? There we go. And done. So I would click with the straight line, which was this rotation. Now this is stainless steel. Appearance, metal, steel, polysteel, cast stainless steel. Probably steel that do. There you go. And that's part 3-36B, the boiler whistle valve ball valve done. Another simple one. I love these simple ones. Also, I like the harder ones, they're good challenges. So, if you want to see more, consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button, leave comments below. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.